Good evening, all. Today, as a part of Connecting Classroom, the students of ZPS Kondur are presenting their project report to you. Actually, it had to be conducted earlier, but due to some unavoidable conditions and my personal obligations and my partner, Mr. Lakshman, was hesitant for some time, and later he joined late and finally accepted. After 1 week again he dropped from that project, so that all these things made us to make to have this whole late. It's okay. Anyway, finally, just 2 days, means on Sunday we have final dissemination, so there will be no chance. That's why I'm conducting this presentation today. Okay, today as part of our presentation from the students of ZPS Kondur of Warangal Rural of Rayaparthi Mandal have joined with us. Actually, we were paired with ZPS Nekonda, Mr. Lakshman, but Mr. Lakshman, due to his other obligations, he could not join in the project. So finally, only we ourselves have to work with this project. So anyhow, our students are ready to give their presentation. Please watch and bless them. Now I invite one of our student participants, Soumya, to give her presentation. Soumya, now I am going to make you as co-host, and
Okay,
you
sir.
can share your screen and give your presentation.
Good evening. Good evening to all. My humble salutation to all the elder dignitaries who have provided this wonderful platform of the students like us to explore, evaluate, and present the experience of the project. My name is Soumya, a student of ZPHS Kondur from Warangal Rural District, Mandal Rayapatti. My guide teacher name is Mr. Venkateshwar Rao sir. Now I am going to present my explorations and learning from the project assigned to us in Connecting Classroom. It is Real Heroes and Real Heroes. Coming to my favorite hero is Allu Arjun. I liked him very much, even I adore him. I used to watch every movie he acted in. I used to watch some of his movies more than 5 times. I followed his styles and mannerism and dialogues. He is stylish star Allu Arjun. He is one of the leading young actor in Tollywood today. He was born on 8 April 1983 in Chennai. His parents are Allu Aravind and Nirmala Allu. Allu Arjun earned his first Filmfare Best Telugu Actor Award, 2 Cinema Award for Best Actor and Best Actor of Jury, and his second Nandi Special Jury Award. He is passionate about his profession and he is dedicated to any role that he takes up. Allu Arjun is a terrific dancer and he has proven this time and again in his songs. Some of his best songs include Ringa Ringa and Cinema Chupista Mama. His acting and his movies Bunny, Arya, Na Peru Surya, Na Illu India, Ala Vaikuntapuramlo, me too adore him. But on joining his project and after attending 2 Zoom meetings conducted by our guide teacher, Mr. Venkateshwar Rao sir, I got interest in studying life histories of various real heroes of India. During this 5-week journey, I read the biographies. I liked the character of Mother Teresa, who did selfless service for the poor and the abandoned, sacrificing everything. Hence, I choose her as my real hero or heroine, whatever you call. My favorite real hero is Mother Teresa. She is the mother of poor, disabled, abandoned. She is the world's greatest social worker. The 20th century is the world of dazzling politicians, supermodels, Bollywood, Hollywood makes heroine hide grotesque behind layers of makeup and stylish hairstyles attract youth to make their fans. One person, however, lived a life that was identical to the image the world had of her, who is just 5 feet tall, with dedicated body and folds on her face, with a white sari clad and without charismatic looks, a woman who celebrated worldwide as a saint and who lived a life that wholly justified this celebrity is Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa was born in 1910 in war-wracked Albania to Catholic refugees. At the age of 19, she came to India to join in the Sisters of Corito, a missionary order of nuns. She served with the sisters as a teacher for 20 years. At the age of 38, while traveling by the train in India, she had striking a realization that her life's mission was to serve the poorest of the poor. With the people's blessing, Mother Teresa moved into the slums of Calcutta, undoubtedly one of the poorest cities on the planet. Her journey began with establishing a slum school with just 5 rupees and then began the Sisters of Charity. Under her direction, the Sisters of Charity ministered to the sick and hungry of Calcutta, showering love and food on all who came to the missionaries' doorstep. Mother Teresa soon became a local celebrity. In 1969, a chronicling her work in Calcutta was released overnight. Mother Teresa gained international prominence as a modern saint. Mother Teresa greatest achievements was founding of the Missionaries of Charity, an order of nuns dedicated to alleviating the suffering of the poor, established in 1950 in Calcutta, India. It has grown from its initial 12 members to more than 4,000 worldwide. She saw loveliness in every human. Companions of charity struggled to make lives deaths of those around them more passive and full of love. She faced choices on her way to becoming a religious and servant to God. The first of these was leading her family and luxuries of her home at just of 12 when all young enjoy the love and affection of family who have no idea of life's goal. She also had to give up any feeling of marrying and having children. She overcome from hardships with the help of courage, braveness, and self-confidence. She dedicated her life to serving poor and the sick. She established the Missionaries of Charity. She greatly helped relief efforts for people suffering with leprosy. Mother Teresa, being an humanitarian and advocate for the poorest and the helpless, she started Missionaries of Brothers of Charity, child homes, etc. She won numerous awards. One among them is Nobel Peace Prize in 1979. Thank you, one and all, for patient listening. Thank you, Alja. I must be thankful to our guide teacher, Mr. Venkateshwar Rao sir, for giving me this wonderful platform to meet you all. I am overwhelmed to see you all on this platform. Thank you.
Soumya, very wonderful. You did well. Good performance. Any teacher would like to reflect on this?
Yeah, Soumya, very good evening once again. Soumya, that was really a good presentation, beta. Your pronunciation, the way have you presented, really very good. Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, now shall I invite Satvika? Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Now I'll make you as co-host. You start your
Okay.
presentation. Introduce yourself to the guest,
Okay,
and
sir.
you may start your presentation. You can share your screen right now.
Okay, sir. Good evening and a warm welcome to all. This is Satvika of 9th Standard from ZPSS Condor of Warangal Rural District. My guide teacher is Venkateshwar Rao, sir. I feel
Satvika, 1
proud
minute.
to be the part.
Satvika,
Sir. Sir. Sir.
yeah. Again, start.
Okay, sir. Good evening and a warm welcome to all. This is Satvika of 9th Standard from ZPSS Condor of Warangal Rural District. My guide teacher is Venkateshwar Rao, sir. I feel proud to be the part of the prestigious project My Connecting Classroom. Our topic for the project is Real Heroes versus Real Heroes. My real hero is Prabhas. I am fan of Prabhas. He was born on 23rd October in Chennai. I like him because of his action in the movies that I have seen.
1
I
minute.
watch
1
each
minute.
and every movie he
1
acted.
minute. There you click on the
Sir.
presentation mode. There are at the top you find 3 symbols. And third symbol is there, no? And that you click.
Yes, sir. Yeah,
Go
sir.
for presentation mode.
Sir. Sir.
Okay, now you start. I think you have. Right. Okay, you can start.
Good evening and a warm welcome to all. This is Satvika of 9th Standard from ZPSS Condor of Warangal Rural District. My guide teacher is Venkateshwar Rao, sir. I feel proud to be the part of the prestigious project My Connecting Classroom. Our topic for the project is Real Heroes versus Real Heroes. My real hero is Prabhas. I am fan of Prabhas. He was born on 23rd October in Chennai. I like him because of his action in the movies that I have seen. I watch each and every movie he acted. His big frame, his height, and his tremendous and mind-blowing action made me his fan. I watched his film Varsham. I became a big fan with the films Bahubali 1 and 2. He has a character of real hero. The roles he acted mesmerizes me. I like him because of his heroic fights. But joining this project, My Connecting Classroom, I started studying the various real hero stories as it was assigned to me to study the biographies of many great personalities like Rakesh Sharma, Bhagat Singh, APJ Abdul Kalam, Kalpana Chawla, Kiran Bedi, and Mahatma Gandhi. Among these heroes, I liked Kalpana Chawla, whom I admired more than anyone. In fact, I wish to follow her in my life. Now, I would like to share some of the highlights of her life first and finally tell you why I admired her. Kalpana Chawla was an American astronaut, engineer, and the first woman of Indian origin and second woman to go to space. She was the first flew on Space Shuttle Columbia in 1997 as a mission specialist and primary robotic arm operator. Coming to her birth details, Kalpana Chawla was born on 17th March 1962 in Karnal, Haryana, India. But her official date of birth was altered to July 1st, 1961 to allow her to eligible for the matriculation exam. Her parents are Banarasi Lal Chawla and Sanjoti Chawla. As a child, she was fascinated by aeroplanes and flying. She went to local flying clubs and watched planes. Her spouse name is Jean-Pierre Harrison. Kalpana Chawla completed her early education in Punjab, did 2 masters in University of Colorado Boulder on 1988 and University of Texas at Arlington on 1982 to 1984 more. Kalpana Chawla enjoyed flying, hiking, backpacking and reading. Although Kalpana's second space flight ended in disaster, she is remembered as an extraordinary woman, an inspiration and a role model. She set a mighty example for being courageous, dedicated, and an independent woman who set her eyes on space and followed through with her. While most of the girls of her age was busy playing with dolls, she used to draw pictures of aeroplanes. In today's time, Kalpana Chawla is a true inspiration for every single girl in India and across the world. I am born in space and I will die in space, said by Kalpana Chawla in one of her interviews. These things made me her fan. In all her years at NASA and in all her pursuits, Kalpana was always determined to think outside the box and look past any challenge. Her legacy is one of encouraging young girls and women everywhere to dare to dream of the stars and never let society's preconceived notions and biases hold them back. Kalpana Chawla, an American hero, inspiration for millions of girls, said by Donald Trump. Challenges faced by her in her journey is being an Indian and Asian. She received less importance in the beginning to qualifying as a pilot. Kalpana began to consider another challenge like applying to NASA's Space Shuttle program. She was first hired as a research scientist at NASA. In 1994, she was selected by NASA for training as an astronaut. At a time when women were still finding it hard to voice their opinions at home and even at work, Kalpana set records and broke glass ceilings everywhere. Unbridled by her status as a woman, she was pursued at people to conquer their dreams and strive on. Kalpana Chawla died on February 1, 2003 in the Space Shuttle Columbia disaster, along with the other six crew members when the Columbia disintegrated over Texas before it was scheduled to conclude its 20th mission and STS-107. Major achievements of Kalpana Chawla are: she did 2 master's degrees and a PhD. She worked at the NASA Ames Research Center for 5 years. She held a certified flight instructor rating and a commercial pilot license. She became the first Indian woman to fly in space. Her second space mission provided important insights about the Earth and space science. She is remembered as an extraordinary woman, an inspiration, and a role model. She set a mighty example for being courageous and dedicated. Such a great woman was rightly honored by the world. Her honors are: Kalpana Chawla was awarded by the Congressional Space Medal of Honor in 2004. She was also awarded by the NASA Distinguished Space Medal in 2004. A series of Indian meteorological satellites were named after her. 10 numerous things have been named after her, including an asteroid. The Kalpana Chawla Award was instituted by the government of Karnataka to recognize young women scientists. The government of Haryana, India established the Kalpana Chawla Planetarium in Jyotisar, Kurukshetra. Her messages are still motivating enough to fill with you enthusiasm. Do something that you really love, and it is also important to enjoy the whole process of your goal. She said, of course, the younger generation can draw inspiration from her love and passion towards doing something meaningful in life. I would like to follow the footsteps of Kalpana Chawla and try my level best to become an astronaut like her, and explore the space and discover something useful to human beings. Finally, I can say you may have a favorite real hero, but you should have one favorite real hero who you can follow to reach the heights of you. to reach your heights in your life. Thank you one and all for being patient to watch my presentation, and I am grateful to ELTA for providing wonderful platform to encourage children like us to develop various skills. Congratulations to all other co-participants of this program. My inestimable thanks to TV Rao sir for choosing as a participant of this challenging project. Thank you.
To Satvika, and you did well. Some
Congratulations, Satvika.
Sir.
this is Vinay sir, the General Secretary, ELTA State. Yeah, sir, please speak.
How this project is different from your regular classroom projects?
Sir.
How this project is different from your regular classroom projects?
Sir, I worked 8 weeks for this project, and my guide teacher helped me to improve my study skills and presentation skills. On my sessions, I present my presentations before my co-participants and guide teacher. Now I present this project before you. I really thankful to ELTA for providing this wonderful opportunity.
So
Okay,
Sar is asking a question that in your school also you did some projects. You wrote some project
Yes, sir.
work, right? Every
Yes,
year you
sir.
write some project work, and that project work and this project work, how is it different? That is the question, sir.
Okay, sir. From this
So
project,
she learned presentation skills and she worked for about 8 weeks. So these are the some points I could get from that answer. Okay, go ahead. So, Satvika, no?
yes, sir. Sir, from this project, I understand about the real heroes and real heroes. And from this project, I decided to follow the footsteps of many great personalities. And my school projects helped me to know the new things. And this project helps me to understand the differences between real heroes and real heroes.
That's great point. So the intention of project is to differentiate the who are the real heroes. After doing this project, what do you think about it? Because cinema heroes are the real heroes, or the real heroes are the real heroes?
Real heroes are the real heroes, sir.
Yes, you're right. Now, who is next?
Okay, let's go.
Is
Go ahead.
yeah, Ruchita, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now I will make you as co-host. You can share your screen.
Good evening, all. I am Ruchita, student of ZPHS Kondur School. A warm welcome to all the dignitaries on this virtual platform, and a big hi to all the co-participants of our connecting classroom. The project assigned by our guide teacher is Real Heroes and Real Heroes. I am fortunate to meet you all on this virtual platform. Coming to my project, the real hero I liked most is Prabhudeva. He is my favorite actor. He was born on 3rd April 1973 in Mysore. His parents are Mugur Sundar and Mahadevamma Sundar. Honors earned by Prabhudeva is Filmfare Award in 2005 and a National Award in 2004. Prabhudeva is best known for choreographing songs such as Mukabula, Urvasi Urvasi, and best movies that choreographed by Prabhudeva are Pokiri in 2007 and Shankar Dada Zindabad in 2007, Rajakumar in 2013, and Rowdy Rathore in 2012. Now, my favorite real hero is APJ Abdul Kalam. The former President of India and Missile Man of India is my role model. He is my real hero and a role model not because he was achieved great things in life and become the President of India, but because of simplicity and selflessness. He is my real hero because he dedicated his entire life to the country and its people, especially school children. Abdul Kalam was born on 15th October 1931 in a poor Muslim family at Rameshwaram of Tamil Nadu. He studied physics and aerospace engineering. He spent the 4 decades as a scientist and science administrator, mainly at the Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO, Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO involved in civilian space program and military missile development efforts. He was an Indian aerospace scientist and a politician who served as the 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007. Abdul Kalam was Abdul Kalam was a man of simplicity, and his dedication to his profession, patriotism, and his love for children is always an inspiration to every individual. He made every Indian proud. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam worked his entire life and achieved many great things in life. But several of his bigger achievements are the testing of atomic bombs at Pokhran, development of the missile Agni and Prithvi, and becoming the President of India. But there is one more thing which is of great importance, that is after his retirement from the presidential post, he started teaching because it was his passion. His autobiography Wings of Fire stands as an inspiration to every young person to set goals and achieve them. His another book, Ignited Minds, which was basically a message to the Indian youth about how we should strive to achieve the Vision 2020. Dr. Kalam not only made our generation aware of the problems our country is facing and would face in future, but also suggested the right solutions. He taught us about our roles in building India via action plans framed on the former quotes, among which my favorite one is dream, 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 dreams transform into thoughts and thoughts result in action. For me, Abdul Kalam was no less than a visionary of our generation. Talk about his stylish and grey hair that curled onto his face or his lifelong bachelor status. He gave his very own example that you can look amazingly cool and still have a great scientific and visionary mind. You can be a fan of the missile man of a military power like India and still be a preacher of peace and harmony on international forums. His unconventional, original, and very realistic approach towards life made him a truth icon. The government of India honored such a great person with numerous awards, including the prestigious Awards of India, Bharat Ratna in 2010. The United Nations declared World Students' Day to be celebrated on Kalam's birthday to honor and mark his efforts towards promoting education. 5 inspiration every student can get from a Kalam are: be prepared, be courageous and think differently, be humble, have a goal, connect with the people. I think he is not only the real hero to me, he should the real hero and role model to each and every student who aspired to achieve better goals in life. Thank you, one and all, for listening to my presentation. Thank you to my guide teacher for giving this wonderful opportunity. Thank you for ELTA. Thank you, one and all.
Yeah, thank you, Ruchita. You made awesome presentation. Now, yeah, Raviteja and Venkanna, they are going to have a conversation to talk about the difference between real hero and real hero. Do you have any PPT or just you would like to speak? Raviteja, are you ready?
No PPT, sir. We will speak.
Okay, PPT is not ready. Okay, right. Okay, you are outside, I think. Okay, right.
Okay.
As
Hi,
Venkanna done?
everyone.
Yeah. Okay,
Venkanna.
right.
Yes, sir. I am Raiteja and my friend Venkanna are going to give a presentation in the form of conversation on the difference between real heroes and real heroes. We are from ZPHS Kondur High School. We are very thankful to our guide teacher, Mr. Venkateshwar Rao sir, for making us a part of this program. Hi Venkanna, what are you doing?
Hello Raviteja, I'm watching hero Mahesh Babu's Pokiri movie.
I think you have watched this movie for many times.
Yeah, I have watched his movie for more than 5 times. Of course, I watched his every movie at least 3 or 4 times.
What? 3-4 times? Don't you feel bored?
No, yaar, I adore him. I'm crazy about watching his action.
What do you get by wasting time like this? Watching same movies again and again and wasting hours together time?
Just enjoyment. What to do now? We have to enjoy in our youth. Can we enjoy in old age?
I think you are wasting your time in watching movies.
Nothing like that, yaar. What to do now than enjoyment?
Don't you like real heroes?
Who are real heroes? I don't about them.
Real heroes are the people who protect and serve their fellow beings, sacrificing everything and even sometimes risking their lives.
Our hero Mahesh Babu is a great hero. He protects many people fighting from the villains.
No, yaar, that is only action and just for entertainment. Do they fight in real life?
Of course, I like Mahesh Babu because I like his dressing style, his dialogues, and his fights. I get goosebumps when I listen that his dialogues and watch his fights.
But the real hero is better than real hero. The outfits of real heroes look good, but the real heroes look simple, but they do a lot to help us.
Of course, they only help, but real gives lot of entertainment. Do you know one thing? One Mahesh Babu's dialogue in Pokiri movie is ఎవడు కొడితే దిమ్మ తిరిగి మైండ్ బ్లాక్ అయిపోద్దో వాడే పండుగాడు. I admire that dialogue and I listen that dialogue at least once in a day on my mobile.
What use of dialogues? Just they give us entertainment. Of course, entertainment is needed, but you should not waste the time. Do the real heroes help in real life?
Maybe he did not help anyone, but the movies he acted motivate us to good things in life.
Of course, you are right to some extent. Does he work as a soldier at the borders in real life? No, there are our real soldiers at our borders living hazardous life in deadly cold by leaving their families. They are saving our country from terrorists. They are sacrificing their lives to save us. So we should be fans of real heroes, not to real heroes.
Oh, you mean to say the soldiers are the real heroes?
Of course, not only the soldiers, there are many heroes in our world like the farmers, freedom fighters like Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Tilak, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, scientists like J.C. Bose, Abdul Kalam Azad, sports persons like Sachin Tendulkar, Kapil Dev, police people like Kiran Bedi, the first Indian IPS, Anandibai Joshi, first woman doctor from India, and astronauts like squadron leader Rakesh Sharma, Kalpana Chawla, and there many unsung heroes and heroines.
What to do with them? Do we get any entertainment?
Entertainment is not the life. We have to do something that benefit the society. You read the biographies of such great heroes and follow them. You would get inspired by them and do something good to the society. Then you will be alive in the minds of people after the death.
Oh, okay. Now I came to know about the real heroes. I shall read their biographies hereafter. Thank you, Ravi. You have brought my soul out today.
Thank you, Venkanna. If you change your attitude, it's an achievement for me.
By joining this project, we came to know about the difference between real heroes and real heroes, and we changed our attitude. If we see anyone in trouble, we help them and try to do something good for the society.
Once again, I express my sincere gratitude to our guide teacher, Mr. Venkateshwar Rao sir, for making us a part of this program.
Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, Vekanna and Raviteja. Your dialogue might have made our students to realize the difference between the real heroes and real heroes. Yeah, time 4:54, 3 enough. And now I would like to invite Kalyani. She would like to tell about our journey, how we conducted this program, how the program went on all these days. Kalyani, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You may start your presentation. You may tell about our project to our participants.
Good evening, all. My name is G. Kalyani from JPHS Kundu. So far, our friends presented the project assigned us, that is Real Heroes versus Real Heroes. We are fortunate to get this opportunity. A doubt arises to everyone, why a hero or why not a heroine. As announced, the difference between hero and heroine is that hero is a real or mythologic person of great bravery who carries out extraordinary deeds, while heroine is a female hero. Like other formerly slowly gender specific terms, like actor, hero is often used to refer to any gender, though heroine only refers to female. Coming legendary characters, we consider both men and women as a hero. Even in order to avoid confusion, we take the term hero. Now I could like to describe our journey in this prestigious project. In first week, our guide teacher, Mr. Venkateshwar Rao sir, selected some of our schoolmates of class 9th and 10th who told us about the project. He introduced this project to us in a Zoom meeting. Our sir asked certain questions to make us think. Who is your favorite person other than your family member? Why do you like him or her? Do you like to follow him or her? We started thinking about the project. In second week, on Sunday again he conducted a Zoom meeting and he asked us the answers to the questions he asked in the earlier meeting. We came up with different answers. He gave a sum up. He then introduced the Padlet to us. He asked us to present our interaction using the Padlet. Later, he gave a detailed description of our project. He also said that we are going to work with our partner school JPSS Nekkonda, and also many schools across Telangana participate in this project. We are very much delighted, excited and eagerly waited to meet other school students in the virtual meeting. Later, after 2 weeks, we came to know that Nekkonda school were not going to pair with our school as the teacher was busy with other engagements. We were very much disappointed. Fifth week. After 2 weeks, in the fifth week, we presented our introduction using Padlet only among our group members. Here are some of our presentations. Then he introduced another tool, Woki. We were thrilled to see how the images of different characters talk. We started exploring them. Then we were asked to select a real and real hero and to find out the difference between them. He asked us to read the biographies of some real heroes. That week we read the stories of biographies various real heroes. Slowly we realized the difference between real heroes and real heroes. Our idea of heroes started changing. Sixth week, we again presented our introduction, but with using Woki. Each of us selected a real hero and real hero according to our insight after reading various biographies. We started exploring the biographies of our favorite real and real heroes. Then we prepared our presentation using PPTs. Seventh week, we gave our presentations among our group members. Our sir modified our document. We presented again in our group in the same. During this week, we learned a lot. Now, we are here with you all on this virtual platform. This is our journey of success. Thank you, Elta and our guide teachers for providing this wonderful together activity.
Somebody is disturbing you. Might be sitting with you and disturbing you, Kalyani. And, okay. Yeah, sir. Teachers, friends, this is the presentation of our school children within the time slot allotted to us. There are other participants also, but I think this project has improved the skills of my children to a larger extent. They are able to use ICT tools like Padlet. They are able to use Zoom. Even they conducted Zoom meeting among themselves. They used Woki. They used PP. All these PPTs they made themselves. I have not helped them. Only I have checked the final presentation, and now and then I made corrections where they committed grammar errors. Anyway, this is the presentation from our school, but it was unfortunate that we were not paired with any other school. The meaning of connecting classroom might have lost, but they have connected with other students in the previous meetings somehow. Thank you, one and all, for providing this wonderful opportunity. I request one or two teachers, friends to reflect on this.
Congratulations, TV Rao sir and your students. So they have done well. And you said that you have missed the experience of connecting, but here we connected. No, this is also the part of it. That's not an issue at all. But there is a one chance again. So this is let us think of this is a trial or the rehearsal like that. In future, we can continue this. So project will end, but the practices will continue. So that you can choose any teacher and we can connect that. So this is an idea that already there within our mind. So we can continue in future also. That's good. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you. Padma ma'am, would you like to reflect? Padmalata. Madam, are you there?
Sir, I am here. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Good evening, everyone. A nice presentation, sir. Each presentation is very good. Their slides are colorful and their accent, it is everything very nice. And it is a great opportunity for our students. Two of my students attended this meeting. So we are also planning to present our school project tomorrow. So I request everyone to attend tomorrow.
Sure, sure.
Thank you, sir. It's nice.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Now, Sangeeta madam also is here. Would you please bless our children? Madam Sangeeta.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma'am.
Congratulations to you, sir.
Thank you.
All your students presented very well and wonderful explanation. And they explained the real wish of this project. That is really nice. And I liked all the presentations, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Kalyani ma'am, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Thank you. Thank you. We must be thankful to Madam Kalyani for providing this
Sir, please, sir,
platform.
please, don't be so formal. Actually, it's a privilege to watch the students' efforts. See, they could make it difference of real heroes and real heroes. So today morning I was watching a Rajnikant movie, something like Darbar, and the things what's going on in that movie reflected in front of my eyes. I mean, I could see that as an image in front of my eyes when the students were talking about. Really, if this views come from deep from their heart, think see that sure the project has done, and it is not that quantity what we need, it's a quality what we need. And at least if one or two students could realize that the real heroes are not on the screen, they are in their day-to-day life. Even a father can be if the father is a real hero to in front of their eyes, and their brothers, sisters, mother, everybody who is facing all kind of obligations, including teachers who are facing kind of obligations and going ahead, are the real heroes. The people who are taking dupe and other people to do the magics and put makeup on their face and I mean appear on the screen are not the real heroes. If they can understand that, our purpose is done, sir. The outcomes are done. That I think. And hope Nana మీరు అందరు ఎవరైతే ఇప్పుడు ప్రజెంట్ చేస్తున్నారో ఇంప్రెసివ్ గా ఉంది. బట్ see, servicing the people, leprosy and all that, and servicing the people from your heart, కనుక చేస్తే మాత్రం అసలు అంటే మనం ఇదేదో ప్రాజెక్ట్ కోసం అని కాకుండా, ఇఫ్ యూ రియల్లీ టేక్ ఇట్ టు యువర్ లైఫ్, salute you all. One day the world will salute you. I assure you. Am I audible, sir? So
yes.
A few days back in front of my house at a late night around 11:30-12, I was back to home. So I could see a lady and a man lying there. అంటే ఒక ప్రైమరీ హెల్త్ సెంటర్ ఉంది సార్ ముందట, అక్కడ ఏమీ లేదు. ఆ మెట్ల పైన పడుకున్నారు ఎక్కడో ప్రయాణికులు పాపం. Some luggage is there with them. The lady with dupatta, that's all, but the man was covering himself with a blanket. So na sense em cheppindante I should pick a blanket which is of no use and put it on her, because that late night at 11:30-12, see, something has stopped me. Maybe the family things or the liberty, whatever we can say. సో ఆ మూమెంట్లో నేను ఆ ఆబ్లిగేషన్ని ఓవర్కమ్ చేయలేకపోయినా. బట్ ఈ థాట్ కనుక ఇక్కడ నుండి రియల్గా వీళ్ళలో బిల్డ్ అవుతూ వస్తే మాత్రం, ఇఫ్ యూ కమ్ విత్ దిస్ కైండ్, యూ వోంట్ స్టాప్ యాజ్ ఇఫ్ ఐ స్టాప్డ్ మై సెల్ఫ్. యూ విల్ గెట్ అ థాట్ టు కన్విన్స్ యువర్ పీపుల్ అరౌండ్ యూ అండ్ యూ విల్ గెట్ రెడీ టు సర్వ్. maybe my family may be ready to help me, but I didn't come out with that word. Something has stopped me at that moment. Something has pulled me, dragged me back, right? So if right from this childhood, if you start with those thoughts, 100% you will make it better. I wish you all best of luck. I can see the real heroes in you. Congratulations, sir.
Thank you, madam. I think it's because of family obligations and still we say even women when men it is somewhat there is a problem when women come out into the
Yeah,
streets during night
that
time.
is
That might
even
be the
in the
reason,
women
but
itself.
your heart
No,
that
no,
shows
even in the
your
women, sir, if women dare to step forward, they can do. But I don't know, at some situations we pull ourselves back. That might be the problem with women also. May not be any objection from family, but a thought may be like that. సో వీళ్ళు ఎవరైతే ఇప్పుడు ఈ థాట్స్ తో ఇక్కడ నుండి స్టార్ట్ అవుతున్నారో, ఇఫ్ దిస్ కంటిన్యూస్ ఇన్ ద సేమ్ వే, వాళ్ళకి అది ఉండదు. దట్ ఐ బిలీవ్. సో
right,
బెటా, ఐ బ్లెస్ యూ అండ్ ఐఎమ్ ష్యూర్ నాన్న మీ అందరు కూడా అంత స్ట్రాంగ్ సిటిజన్స్ అవుతారు, బికాస్ ఈ ప్రాజెక్ట్ మిమ్మల్ని ఇక్కడ ఆపదు. వాట్ ఇట్ మేక్స్ యూ, ఇట్ ప్రొవోక్స్ యూ టు థింక్ ఇన్ డిఫరెంట్ వేస్, రైట్? అండ్ యుల్ బి వర్కింగ్ ఫర్ దట్. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
actually the real purpose of taking this project is very much challenging. I think I hope that at least a few, one or two students, if they change, my job is done. That's my thing, idea. Okay, now our hero Sampath sir is there. Sampath sir, are you there?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, yeah.
So congratulations.
He's on track.
First of all. Yeah.
After you,
Always back.
if you are not
Yeah,
there,
yeah. No, though lying on the bed, you'll be on track. We know that. You never give up.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah,
Thank you
Sampath.
for calling me. And Hero sir, it's a wonderful thing. And not only I feel my intention here, really this should continue, like Vinay said, it should be continued like a journey of learning in our schools. So though some are connected here as teachers, and children also will be connected. And here real thing is happening, that real learning is also happening, I feel. So these children are self-motivated and doing something and thinking something, and they are expressing their own views only. So here sometimes what happens, for the sake of marks or for the sake of something, the children come out and show something until they will get marks. So here this project making the children to think over it. As one of the child said, and earlier I know the things, but I learned the things. So that is the different. He experienced what is happening around us and what to learn also from means what is available from resources. I should learn something, and this is real thing happening in their brains. This is a great happening, I feel. The children should like self-motivators and thinking themselves and doing something. And as ma'am said, Kalyani ma'am, so empathy, not empathy, like they are feeling the feel they get, and that is useful for their future also. And that is very much great thing happening through this connecting classroom project. And also the children really congratulations, Nana. You have done in various types, means conversation, like the Mahesh Babu and other child thinking about the thing, and who are the real heroes, and knowing themselves, realizing themselves, and also taking Kalpana Chawla as a real hero, and Abdul Kalam is a real hero. So this is the thing should happen, Anna. 10 years ago, I think I went to Kottagudem club. There with my children, I was there. So there I watched like a small play drama they presented. In that, they showed the same concept, so in a realistic manner. And what we had to think as a youth, or as a person, as a citizen of India, or anybody, as a person what to think. So we have to think about the real, not real. So those some really real heroes are also sometimes real heroes. Maybe that makes their attitude or thinking. Sometimes in real life they become real heroes, and they motivate the people, and they encourage the people, and they contribute, and they do something. So that is also establishes sometimes. So children, you learn what is good to us, and what we have to take from. So from shows also, movies also, from the character also, we can learn good things. So maybe they are real heroes. So the concept, the theme, the message is conveyed through that movie or through the character. Sometimes it's a real thing also happens. So we have to go for the real thing, and what is helpful for us, and what is means should be grabbed. So in depth, we have to feel in it, whatever the thing that is useful for our ourselves, or for our country, or for others. So feel, be empathetic, and do something in your future. Hearty congratulations to all the children, and heroes, sir, my dear friend. And
Thank you, Sampath.
I
Thank you
feel
very
great
much.
to be here. And Vinay, it's a great thing. We have to continue this, and this connects all the people, all the children, all the teachers. In future, we will continue. Thank you giving me this opportunity.
Any other teacher or any other school student may reflect?
Nana Adil Pasha. Will you respond?
Beta Adil Pasha, respond.
Pedalingapur. Nana, how is the presentation? What did you learn from this? 1 or 2 lines, please.
Man, why is it not audible?
Yes, it's audible, Nana. You can go ahead.
Now audible.
Yeah. Nana, you observed all students' presentation. So
Madam.
give your opinion. Give your opinion. What did you learn?
Madam, in this program?
Yeah, in this program.
Sir. Good evening, all of you, teachers and sirs. And this program is very nice. And my opinion on this program, I like.
Yeah. How is the conversation? So 2 students presented a conversation. Yeah, Nana, go ahead.
Might be inhibition. It's okay, Nana. No, never mind. Okay, thank you one and all for giving us this opportunity. Thank you, Kalyani ma'am, and thank you, Vinay sir, Sampath sir, Padmalata ma'am, and all who have watched our performance. Thank you very much, and blessing. I hope our children take every word of you on behalf of you, of my children. I assure you that your words will be a Bible for them, and I think they will make use of your blessings and your words in their future life, and they will become successful. Thank you one and all. Vinay, shall I end the meeting?
Yeah, okay. Thank you. Bye.
Good evening to all. Thank you very much. Thank you. I shall end the meeting.